All right, in this problem, we are producing aluminum solid from an aqueous solution that contains aluminum 3 plus ions. We have a desire of making 1 kilogram of this aluminum. So let's write out that balance equation. We are producing aluminum from aluminum 3 plus aqueous ions. So this aluminum 3 plus must be getting 3 electrons in order to go to solid aluminum. We are using a current of 100 amps. And remember, amps, that's just really coulombs per second. And we are trying to make 1 kilogram of aluminum, and they're asking us for how long. So what is the time? So if we are trying to make 1 kilogram of aluminum, let's convert that over to grams. 1,000 grams of aluminum for every 1 kilogram. Now let's convert this over to moles of aluminum. 1 mole of aluminum is equal to 26.98 grams. Then, using stoichiometry and that balance equation that we just wrote, we can see here 3 moles of electrons for every 1 mole of aluminum. Now turn this over to charge using Faraday's constant, 96,485 coulombs for every 1 mole of electrons. So that's how many coulombs we are going to need. And you can either now continue on with the dimensional analysis, or you can stop, calculate your coulombs, and do a little bit of algebra afterwards. I'm going to continue with dimensional analysis first to show you that method. And so we're going to just continue on. So I'm going to do the rest of this here in black. 96,485 coulombs per 1 mole. Okay, so we want to convert those coulombs over to time. And the key here is using the current measured in amps as that conversion factor, because that's really coulombs per second. So if I know that the current is 100 amps, that's really 100 coulombs per 1 second. So use that in dimensional analysis. I'm going to have to put the 1 second on the top and 100 coulombs on the bottom because I need those coulombs to cancel out. And I have seconds, which is a unit of time here on the top. And so now I'm allowed to stop, grab my calculator, and calculate the answer. We get an answer of 1.1 times 10 to the 5th power in seconds. Because this question didn't specify what unit of time, they just said, how long will it take? You are perfectly allowed to report your answer in seconds. Or you can convert it over to minutes if you want to, but I wouldn't, because then that's more work, that's more time that you don't have if this was an AP exam.